Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BUSD from your Ledger Nano X to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned pro, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your Binance USD securely and efficiently. BUSD is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for transfers without wild price swings. But before we jump in, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the latest firmware, your BUSD wallet initialized, and a verified Coinbase account ready to go. Let's get started. First things first, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and enter your PIN to unlock it. Once you're in, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger because BUSD is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, head over to your computer and launch a compatible wallet interface like Ledger Live. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Ethereum account where your BUSD is stored. Next, you'll need to initiate the transfer. In Ledger Live, find the Send option for your Ethereum account. Enter the BUSD contract address if it's not automatically detected. Double-check that to avoid any mistakes. Now, input the amount of BUSD you want to send, making sure to leave enough for gas fees. Remember, gas fees can vary, so keep an eye on Ethereum network costs in 2025. They might be lower with advancements like Layer 2 solutions. Once you've filled in the details, review everything carefully on your Ledger device screen for security. Never trust your computer alone. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger by pressing the right button. Now, switch to your Coinbase account. Go to your wallet, select BUSD, and generate a deposit address. Copy that address and paste it back into your Ledger Live send screen if you haven't already. After confirming, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It should only take a few minutes on the Ethereum network, but always check the status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Once it's done, you'll see your BUSD reflected in your Coinbase balance. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from your Ledger Nano X to Coinbase. A quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses to prevent losses, and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.